In this video tutorial, we are going to look at numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending order. Numbers are said to be in ascending order when they are arranged from smallest to the largest number. For example, 5, 9, 13, 17, and 21 are arranged in ascending order because it is done from small to big. Okay? So ascending order means small to big. So if you have 3 siblings in your family, the smallest will go first, the middle will go second, and the oldest will go third. Ascending order, small to big. Okay? So let's work together now in arranging these two number strands in ascending order. And there's a good technique that I like to do, and you know that we're starting with the small number first. So what we could do is in the strand of number, find the smallest number and scratch it off, write it, and then look for the next smallest number. So in this first number strand we have here 2 is the smallest number. So we'll scratch 2 out from here and write it here. The next smallest number on this number line is 9. So we'll write 9 in this section right after 2. After 2 and 9, the next smallest number is 15. So we just write 15. After 15, the next smallest number is 19. So we write in 19. And you keep repeating the same process by finding the smallest number of the remaining numbers and placing them one after each other. Okay? After 19, we have 3 numbers remaining, 20, 43, and 66. The next smallest number is 20. So we have 20. We end up now with 43 and 66. Between 43 and 66, you need to ask yourself which number is bigger. And if you know how to count, 43 is your smaller number. So we place that here, 43. And we end up with 66. So 66 will just be the final number and the largest number. So notice we had the small number here and it grows until we reach the bigger number. Okay? So as ascending order states, from small to big. Now we have another exercise at the bottom and it has more numbers. So out of the numbers 23, 14, 29, 82, 100, 24, and 54, what is the smallest number? And the answer is 14. 14 is smallest, so we're going to put 14 first. The next number that we have as the smallest number in the number line, and this number strand, sorry, will be 23. So 23, we scratch it out, we write it. After 23, the next smallest number will be 24. Place it in. And look at the numbers now. We have 29, 82, 100, and 54. 29 is the smallest number out of all of them. Right there are 2 tens in 29, 8 tens in 82, 10 tens in 100, and 5 tens in 54. So 29 is the next number. So you write it. Next, between 82, 100, and 54, 54 is the smallest number. And between 82 and 100, we know that 82 is smaller. And then the remaining number is 100 and we put it last. So see how the numbers grow from small to big? Good. Meaning the numbers increase from small to big. So in ascending order, the numbers increase. Okay? So always remember that, because even at a standard 1 or 2 level, These things are the basic skills that you need for SEA, and you usually learn them at this level. You start to be introduced to them and their basic forms at this level. Now we'll move on to descending order. And descending order is just like ascending order, except the numbers are now arranged from biggest to smallest. So in ascending order, we put the smallest number first. Descending order is the opposite. We're going to put the big numbers first and they decrease then, okay? So for example, we have 21, 17, 13, 9, and 8. These numbers are in descending order because we have the bigger number going before the smaller numbers. 21 is more than 17, 17 is more than 13, 13 is more than 9, and 9 is more than 5. These numbers again are arranged in descending order from big to small. So now we'll look at an exercise. So let's work together on this exercise. We have two number strands, and we need to list the following numbers in descending order. So just like we did before with our ascending numbers, we're going to look for the biggest number and put it first. So what is the biggest number in this set here? And that will be 102. So we place in 102. The next biggest number will be 99. Okay? Look at the numbers carefully. We have 26, 30, 54, 42, and 7. The next biggest number will be 54. Look again. We have 26, 30, 42, and 7. The next biggest number is 42. Okay? Then we have 26, 30, and 7. And the next biggest is 30. Right after 30, we have 26. And 7 will be the last number. Okay, so the numbers arranged in descending order are 102, 99, 54, 42, 30, 26, and 7. Now we look at the other number strand here. So the biggest number in this number strand is 90. So we're going to put 90 first. Okay, excuse the drawing. The next biggest number on this strand will be 78. Okay, so you could try to identify it before me. After 78, the next biggest number from 34, 12, 45, 10, and 2 will be 45. And then we have 34 coming right after. And then we have 12. And we have 10, and our last number is 2, which is the smallest number. Okay, so we move from big to small, and this in essence is what descending order is. So remember, descending order, we move from big to small, and just to recap, ascending order, we move from small to big. Okay, from small numbers to larger numbers. So this was my very short video tutorial on ascending and descending order, and I hope you attempt all the exercises that I have posted for you on Google Classroom for this particular topic. So thank you for watching.